أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم Allah, none has the right to be worshipped but He, the ever-living, the one who sustains and protects all that exist. لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم. Neither slumber nor sleep overtakes him. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. To him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Man dhalladhi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'iznih. Who is he that can intercede with him except with his permission? يَعْلَمُ مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ. He knows what happens to his creatures in this world and what will happen to them in the hereafter. وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. And they will never compass anything of his knowledge except that which he wills. وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. His kursi extends over the heavens and the earth. وَلَا يَؤُوذُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا. And he feels no tiredness in guarding and preserving them. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. And he is the most high, the most great. Ayat al-Kursi, Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah.